Hello folks, my name is Georgios Papadopoulos and welcome to yet another COMNET protocols video. Today we are going to see the UDP header format. Note that our source for this video is the RFC 768 standard where the user datagram protocol or UDP is specified. In computer networking, the UDP is a transport layer or layer 4 communication protocol in the TCP/IP protocol suite. An alternative to TCP, UDP is a connectionless, lightweight protocol that enables fast data transmission, and it is well suited for real-time applications such as streaming media and online gaming. So this figure here illustrates the UDP datagram structure. As it can be observed, a UDP datagram consists of a datagram header followed by the payload data for the application. Now, the UDP datagram header consists of 4 fields, each of which is 2 bytes or 16 bits. Indeed, the UDP header starts first with the source and destination port fields, then we have the length field, and it ends with the checksum field. In the following, we are going to present the UDP header format field by field. First, we have the optional source port field that identifies the port of the transmitter. When it is employed, it should be assumed to be the port to reply to. Next, we have the destination port, which identifies the port of the receiving device. The third field is the length. This field specifies the length in bytes of the UDP header and UDP data. And finally, we have the checksum field for error checking of the UDP header and data. In RFC 768 and 1071, the techniques and algorithms to compute the checksum are specified, which might be a good excuse for another video in the future. To summarize, UDP is a connectionless transport protocol, meaning messages are transmitted without establishing a connection beforehand, and that UDP does not keep track of what it has sent. It is best suited for real-time applications such as voice or video streaming or online gaming, where speed is more important than error-free delivery, and thus dropping packets is better than experiencing delays caused by retransmissions. UDP considered to be a lightweight protocol as it comes with minimum header, however, it offers fast data transmission. On the downside, UDP comes with no guarantee of any kind, so all the features of TCP such as segmentation and reassembly, flow control, congestion control, or error detection and recovery are not valid. And that's all folks on UDP header format.